Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Esema yake eni nia minya bema
Mesro eni diemo say me we betwem esane say if we psychiatrist bi ho panyin pa ya offer na offer zamo bro for no say me kan nya was the chairman general. The only psychoactive substance in cannabis, the only psychoactive substance in cannabis is tetrahydrocannabinol. Hydrocannabinol. We can remove this substance from cannabis and then go ahead and use the beneficiary ingredients found in it. We should not throw away the baby together with the bath water. Dr. Mwakon from Abinwaha. Dr. Mwakon is a certified psychiatrist of several years standing. He's about 80 years almost.
He's on retirement.
He's on retirement. So we sabi onye and now schoolboy be all kind of say. Anyway, so if we have this kind of discussion, we would elevate the discourse. Anyway, ni
Kwame, make us say sa semisana kwesi kan no e yade a Ghana fo nyina ene amanfo a omadare saade mu aka ho asem aka me ka se me akwada na me mate bi ne papa eye adwuma wo psychiatric hospital nti hu se psychiatric hospital na mo si so ne nkan wo ho na mango so wo ho pa mango nua ho nti ye pon school adraka wo sensa ye ko ho ye konya aduane di ye wi mango ye biga na atra si so a kosita ma ne papa be pon na ye kofi nti one day akura ketwa out of curiosity mbisa ne say enti sankofo mu da nyina no omo nyina wi ene dom ba ha na because na me akura ya mama ti ase bi say unum wi a obodam
obai seke
that is all ena manfo enti na manfo kura na omo ye yi no na omo suro nti ukonom okotrampo an ho ba bi na wakonom utumi num no mantem e kwa be chew but surprisingly dan me bisa no Doctor catch me say, only just about 5%. And they be say as a result of abuse. Now, almost what I me. Also, 5% in the crowd. Majority alcohol abuse, saying weed abuse. Because my mama say, there's a dear money per border man weed. Kwame, now over the period, my follows our discussions pa. Many a crisis upon Dinko Bebre was hard year. Ena near Hamikasene say, or my way. Say, a drew some papers when he can't seem say, and says I'm for better as in the yard. The fracture Yanse womuno. If it is a they are demonizing or Momoka 17.
yeah.
Nti yes ana
mo go ni lantine kwasi prats ne kwa mesefa kan ne on titito almost see no read so as you demonize
but only study na menya duka kan wasem no is one of the studies parliament ye hwe sa ade ye hwe ye kwa ma menka bi bom ne pa chopi further afield the emergence of multi-billion-dollar cannabis corporations multi-billion-dollar cannabis corporations has led to accusations of predatory activities in emerging cannabis markets in low and middle income countries. In Colombia, for example, Canadian companies currently represent 85% of total investment in the emerging medical cannabis market.
Medical cannabis market.
Local farmers have expressed concerns about both environmental impacts marginalized from decision making. Canadian venture capital has been similarly prominent in emerging cannabis markets in Mexico, Jamaica, Lesotho, and elsewhere.
Recently, Uganda. Recently, about 3 months ago, Uganda.
If it's a Coca-Cola wants to invest in
Yeah.
Coca-Cola.
They probably are already. You never know.
It does raise important questions for the international community about how future markets should be structured, how traditional cannabis growing communities can be protected, and how fair trade and sustainable development can be guaranteed.
Listen to this one, which is a negative. He says, Chairman General, good morning. Are you guys saying all you guys are saying is good? But let's look at our oil. We discovered it in commercial quantities. How has it influenced us? How much money can marijuana bring us? Let us also look at the negatives more than the positives. We as a nation don't have the necessary tools to prevent the negatives. Kwame Frimpong, a.k.a. Buffalo.
I'll say there is certainly space for learning. As the first G7 economy to legalize and regulate cannabis, Canada entered uncharted territory. It also did so guided by public health principles and with a strong commitment to evidence-based policy development. On that principle, Canada and a growing list of countries seeking to follow their example should learn from both their successes and failings.
Good. So there are pluses and minuses.
Yes.
So let's learn.
Teething challenges.
Kwesi Obiabo Odin will message me says here. Or say, do you know about the SOAS conference? Or say, I was told in London by an African American, the SOAS conference in 2003, that industrial marijuana was tested at Pokwase in Ghana as far back as 1964 under the Ministry of Food and Agriculture. I think Mr. Pratt was even at that conference because he was quite a frequent attendant at the SOAS conference. SOAS, yes. Or say, I checked it 3 years ago with the former directors of PPRSD at Pokwase. Kwame, apparently it was true. And I was shocked. SOAS is School of Africa and Oriental Studies.
Yes.
And this message is from Kofaros in Tema.
How you mean as far back in 1964?
Also in Pokwase in Ghana. Industrial marijuana
was tested
right here in Ghana in 1964 under the Ministry of Food and Agriculture.
Kwame, so if you consider all from that year, it be seen there. 64, they are woman. Or the beginning woman.
I mean, that's what the
No, you go.
Yeah. Indeed has a project.
Yes.
It means we have lost a lot of time. Sanka say you share the positives in this. Any development by this time, and we'll be able to develop framework and be guided even the production, the exportation, even the usage of such a very important product. Let me say, Kwame, me too, me a deputy minister for trade, me nyakwan eco exhibition be ewo EU, China. Kwame, now along the one side, EU was basically like an agricultural exhibition. Kwame, who products are you produce from cannabis? Kwame, it's over 100. Now, so man for say cannabis oil.
Yeah.
Kwame, not the market.
Fabric.
And yeah, hemp, no? Yeah, hemp.
Kwame, it's in nature say. I'm fast so. But the American say, the issue has to do, say, instead of saying you never transit as a mind, now BBC ya transit and say, I did way, ye any say I'm fast so. Yet to me, any say, not Nanka, Ebeye, or how no, ya benase, Debbie. Because the Babacon, I used to not be a cassette, I did way, and Yanitino. Na yìnyín starting here condemn akosi. Nani
mo amanyo form mpanyinfo no. Eh ade a we madwun beko benkrom wo ho.
Oh, certainly
because eba be ye. Mo ma ka say ni na do ba e ka wo shelewi.
Committee na here, committee na
say another one ba ka say ni NDCB ba ka wo shelewi. If we mo be yi sa amanyo sem na free.
Kwame, onim say akresi sapon. So belong to Amaya.
That's why NDC. At the time he was the chief executive of NACOP. I don't know. I said we should decriminalize marijuana. Then he was chief executive of NACOP.
Kwame, now obvious studies no matter now. Almost say countries are almost decriminalize. Countries now almost the regulations are better. A reduce the abuse.
Okay.
Emma the legal aspect, Ebwa ma amount for amount for to make a shop. Ekoto with prescription. ASA.
That is what we are afraid of.
But
abuse.
Kwame, why should we be afraid of that?
But who will check? I want to say no.
Kwame.
Na kwame petrol no ya abuse no you betwem.
Na chama
Na glue no ya abuse no you betwem.
a busy message Abraham there. Have you forgotten about Kamaka? Kamaka got mad as a result of weed smoking just behind your window. So why are you speaking?
Kwame.
Yeah.
Kwame, kwesi ka se bi. Me akwada me nyi sa time no. Na pete she ton edin pa. In fact, a pete she ton no up to the time of a kutu champon kra no. Na criminalize. Because yet we police for na for a railway station that na train na dey ba. On be seize. Ni dey go fam ni a permanent is a go na hye. Ene nkan ho ye chi amanfo. Ba Kwame, today the same Aina maker no exhibition na me call no. Ghanaian products made from Akpeteshia. Kwame. Na ensoto.
Me, somebody's exporting Akpeteshi.
Kwame.
Dabena baby, me the bottles baby here.
Oh, Kwame, if I meet any bread in there.
Kwesi brother,
Who is also the band?
Kwesi.
And
Believe me to be yours sincerely, Kwame Sefaka.
Kwame. Only say Chinese ni bia. Or no, wa better na o memo or export. Wa branding the credit. Or say a better thing. Omu dia na
More time.
Omu de baha man e grow for eto.
rice wine.
Yes. O sa no ka kire me. Kwame to the extent say Kwame me kai pa say Giok distilleries omu takai.
Yeah.
Ye de ko exhibition Kwame anso to. Emma right ho na no bisa Giok fo a.
Ni oko fast and kesi na about. Mother. Takai no my dream wa masa ensio.
Takai no.
Masa last week me visitors from Brazil. What would see people say, hey, make sure you give us Takai to take over.
Yeah.
Just the value of Takai in the international market. Ah, give up near you.
Kwesi ba also say the Takai. Takai. Takai.
I know you come over.
Takai. Yeah, we are branding.
Charlie, ni asem kesen okofa balo.
Okwesi, I'm telling
the chairman of Gihog Distilleries, Ekodinko, Madam Fu. And I'm saying, Master, I didn't know you.
Hey, na Kofi Juma no ye wawa things so ho. So you know Kofi Juma is chief executive now. Oh yeah, wawa things so ho.
Master,
my this one must start branding Akpeteshi.
Yeah.
And how cheap sir. Omo mpintua kitikiti bi.
Yeah.
Mpintua no kra fe kra kwa.
I study.
Kwesi, the maker Kwame. Deputy Minister me a presentation here no.
Yeah.
Kwame, Giok Fonya order to supply 1 million bottles of the product no every quarter.
Omo tumenya.
No.
Because the main year affect you more a bottle no.
Yeah.
Because omo export to
I'm importing bottles. I'm credible.
That's the difficulty. Me ni chief executive ka ya back no. And I'm home Minister Aruna say, Anka somewhere we can give them facility under EDIF. What I say? No money Ghanaian company establish bottle company or ha. Or me produce bottle no aye. No mo ka me say ye alcohol volume no woman no isa. Enti ye dey no 45 no. We should do another premium quality and no be 72% because that's the standard. I just want to do but here so be num takai kora na man for fee say to say sani pakro no
na why the name Takai Ogana Masa nipa hin the name say bibi Ogana ha friend Takai e so mbosa wa bonti.
But we see sometimes also branding and marketing.
That is true.
Our own branding and marketing.
I mean, that's the same thing here can say. Cannabis. If you have developed it very well, I am branding the year. Who say the benefits of it, overweigh and outweigh the negatives of it now. It will help us as other people because Kwesi Kano, I have a friend. Or no. Or yari pass serious or catch them say doctor no catch any place say for this particular thing
cannabis
the
oil
immediate cannabis
almost cannabis oil.
Thank you or catch me but me record the man says here who catch you be say doctor Krasi Minko but that is and catch him so try it helped him.
Oh, it does.
But I'll try to go to prison.
One time.
One
time.
So the issue.
But you see, it is the law. So I don't blame the police.
Yeah.
I don't blame law enforcement. It is the law.
You see, Kwame, that is
They will enforce the law.
Kwame, that's my problem. Say, when laws, you see, Bible, no Christ, Jesus Christ said, laws are not made for men are not made for law. Laws are made for men. So we should look at how the law now, whether prevailing circumstances, no, some rana no, a nipa na say, a nipa court so.
Ni una shemra. Only you can.
That is why
over to you.
Anytime Kwame will be because Samuel, this report nearby, no, and yet a majority report and I say minority report. Committee now at no.
Yeah.
And this for MPP for majority for no info. And then you do a bobo. You free experts, you free psychiatrists. And then come when you buy a brief full committee no. And then my committee no. And this report is true. And idea, you share dachi. And you know, this is a Ghana yet to me. And then she share part to ye ma correct policy directions woman na ye near research any can one can say as far back 1964 obi enya nyansa fi abrotia ba Ghana ha krokitwa te se poko ase wa be ye study wo ho ehun say sa dey we no infa so so then a prevent yen
in 1964
come last minute because me ne obi dim komo o say on there Australia, ye momodia na yam pass here, but because na sas no very good for.
Very good.
No, just what you say. And the question
and I said that Prince Donyina can teach him. Also, don't understand them.
It's a idea. Oh, but then because you know, because people are into, as I say, your mom ran out to the extent say, yeah, who you say before you better say, before you better say, yeah, Ghana for some time, too much. You need my dear too much. Into Mrano, I a chinchia, I'm a Mrana de Akonomu, they dear so, Miss said, baby, I dear do was asking me, hono. Yen share the fracture, a Dr. Mwakwa Uboni D.
Yeah.
Nipat been to some monum, and if some trase. Only a psychiatrist. Doctor says so a psychiatrist. So why is Dr. say, men pene? Why is Dr. Maku say, FCA?
Or say, yeah, but yeah,
that is the issue. The issue is that people are looking at the small in a woman to criminalize the whole thing. Instead, say, you better say, a deal bit to me, enya, every month. Intermediate, near Kenny, you know, could say, and ya won't go on. And you might be brave or my moi. And ya, if say, the benefits are Sade Eddie Maye as a man for as on mine saying criminalizing those things because criminalizing and a man for and young faswa and say and a man for a family abuse but say legalizing a bomb a man for yetne sequence can say okoto tramadol yes crap prescription yam for money come me area.
Inconvenience is here.
Oh, come me area. I'm out for a idea.
What the end Tramol?
Come, what is Tramol?
Okay.
Is it not a derivative?
Derivative, yes.
Derivative.
Yes.
They are abusing it with a codeine.
Yeah.
And they come with the bomb and the essay.
Any energy drink.
What I say?
I'm the tomb. Because it's all uniform.
What do you
Chairman, if you send a message, also there time.
Yeah, time.
Also a cancher the money juma. Na jubilation or could do
most one but Chief Baini, your deputy national organizer, gentlemen, you're talking about Intampi. Good. Well, Jah Rastafari knows that the herb is the best food for the brain. We've got to use it wisely and deal with those who abuse it. That is where it should come from. Rest in peace, Peter Tosh. Legalize it, don't criticize it. I agree with Neil and Van der Poel 101%. Doji says, look at the way the panelists are glorifying marijuana in your studio. I knew a day like this will come. Doji and Amasaman. So tell me, are you excited or are you high? Just from the discussion. Come on.
Chairman General.
Yeah.
Hey, this reminds me of.
Okay, just quick one. Onim say interestingly, Obiasa will say the law is against possession, but not smoking. But you see, if you don't possess it, how can you smoke it? So if it is indeed there's a law against possession, but not a law against smoking, well, if you don't possess, how can you smoke it? And then Kwesi Bani says Takai is Ghana's answer to Baileys. Somebody says Takai is from the northern region. The name is from the northern region. Maybe our brothers from the north would help us with the meaning. Kwame, I know a guy who was suffering from asthma. We went for a funeral. He started having problems with breathing. A man standing by him told him to buy coconut oil and fill a 1.5-liter bottle and add wee leaves and seeds and drink for a day. She did that. Believe me, Kwame, it's been 5 years. She's not had that problem. PK, we've heard all those stories. I know somebody who said eventually you smuggle cannabis oil in the brain from the UK. I'm not on a prescription and you smuggle brain. Well, not big quantity, maybe small bottle. I'll see Charlie morning time. Can fit tea, 2 teaspoons, take duam. It's been like 4 years. No, very bad joint pain on a hip. It's gone. It's gone.
Well, Chairman General.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.